look at the vine, y'all. It's so beautiful. You don't even know if it was abandoned before. There was a place right there before. I think they used this house for the people over there for those stores. As you can look through here, you can see like stores in here.
That's a beagle.
Come here.
Beautiful dog.
Hi. Hi there. Hi there. Okay, go back to your house. Go back to where you live. You gotta go back home. You're a good dog. You're a good dog.
This will wrap up this exploration of this old abandoned Shell gas station in space.
I thought I had it filmed the whole time I was talking. But today is Friday the 13th. And I'm gonna make me a hot cocoa color surprise. And I'm gonna show you too. Might not be the flower angle of me, but I'm opening this up. Whew. Look like a crystal ball. Or what people like to call a bath ball. Okay, that's the color. 2, 1. It gonna change color. I have put the hot cocoa in this spooky season coffee tank. It was the color green, and it said to let it dissolve and wait, but I couldn't wait that long to be honest. It's not really that good. So take like whipped chocolate. So take like whipped chocolate to me. And I was looking forward to it. It was only $3 at Target, so wasn't like it's the best. It was a miss. Cake is done. Chocolate showing cake.
That could be the grandma that owned this house, probably. We are not 100% sure. That's just evidence of
That's the same truck that we passed it by when he came over here. So what did he all say? I'm putting it for my volcano too.
What?
What did he say?
Something about this is the deadliest area of all United States. He was talking all gibberish,
Well,
all that stuff.
He seemed like he on drugs.
That's what I'm saying. Cause they got like
So I'm at my mom's house. I'm at my aunt a orange dreamsicle milkshake with bananas and vanilla ice cream. So my family dog has not left my side after he came out of my mom and dad room. I'm not here all the time anymore like he was back in early 2023. I'm not sure if it was because of the storm that we had, or that he knows, cause dogs can sense about people like having health problems. So I'm not sure if it's because of that or about the storm. Something is really odd because everywhere I will walk, he will follow me.